show you here. Woo! Badlands Sasquatch. This is the version of this one, guys. And it's a beautiful, beautiful Bronco 2024. Black leather, guys. Actually, this is the problem. It's not even leather, guys. This is synthetic. Welcome, 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 welcome. And we have the car of the day, guys. Guys, this is gonna be a 2024 Ford Bronco, and today is only heaters. And you know, we don't have the cheap heater than other companies use. This is our special carbon fiber heater, which is a lifetime guarantee. This one doesn't fail. So we have our 2 stages relay here and our switch, double stage, beautiful switch. And again, guys, this is just heaters for this 2024 Bronco. When people get a little bit more luxurious, they get the degrees, which is our top of the line product. You know this, we have a cooling and heating, 3 settings. And it's a ventilated way to be very cozy in your vehicle, so you can get your fresh air. You get cold in the winter and you can get heat in I'm sorry, how do I say what I'm saying right here? So you can get cold in the summer and you can get heat in the winter, because you don't want to be shivering in your car, right, guys? But if that's too much, you just do what our client right here did, is get the heaters. And not just any heater, guys. Carbon fiber heaters by LeatherTeck at Upholstery Technology. And let's take a look at the car, guys. This is a beautiful 2024 Bronco. This is the Badlands Sasquatch, guys. Let me show you here. Woo! Badlands Sasquatch. This is the version of this one, guys. And it's a beautiful, beautiful Bronco 2024. Black leather, guys. Actually, this is the problem. It's not even leather, guys. This is synthetic. That's horrible, but that's how it came out of the dealer. And in this case, the client, they just want to get warm. Because of that, they brought it to us so we can do heating in these things, because the dealer not even offer it when it comes from factory. So they're gonna charge you an arm and a leg just to put your heaters. So talk to us, guys. We can do this for you in a way that is not gonna break the bank. Very affordable, guys. So this is a beautiful interior in plastic. It needs leather, but that will be the future maybe. Okay, this is the rear, guys. This is what they do in order to compete with the Jeep. The very first versions were horrible. I think they're doing better now. They fix all the horrible things that didn't work in these vehicles. They're getting way better. And guys, you know, you can do a transformation in your vehicle. You want leather for sure. You don't want this synthetic plastic. No, no, no. You want leather in your car, guys. So LeatherTeck.com by Upholstery.com is offering you a factory match, which is going to be exactly like this, but in real leather. Or you can get a custom design. You can do it any way you like. We have over 60 different colors and combination contrast stitch. Piping, special editions, custom patterns like diamonds, double diamonds, hex, double hex, honeycombs, and many, many others, guys. You want exotics, ostrich, alligator, swaskin, you name it. We have them at LeatherTeck.com by Upholstery Technology. Like and subscribe, guys, so you can see more transformations, techniques, and how we do the installations for your beautiful leather seats at LeatherTeck.com by Upholstery.com. Because, guys, we are demystifying the installation process. It's not that difficult. We have been showing you that. And when it comes to your heater, well, guys, in this case, this is good enough for now. We know the client is gonna come back for the leather later on. But as for now, this is what we're gonna be doing. So let me show you these switches, guys. Normally we put them here, and we put another one over here. Well, actually, in this case, because these tend to crash, we're gonna put them in there. And because it's an aftermarket product, guys, it cannot be wired into the vehicle system. And same for the degree system. That's the only difference in the product, but it's still very practical. So if you leave it on, every time you turn on your vehicle, your car seat will be warm. By the time you get into it, your seat will be to temperature, so you don't have to suffer the cold. And guys, we want to remove this seat. It's a very simple process. When it comes to these Broncos, it's very easy. All you're gonna need, guys, is a 13mm socket, and I have my swivelable tool, which is not really required, and I have my impact. You can use a ratchet, and I have my flat small screwdriver. This is all the tools we're gonna need for this process. And the front one, guys, is 2 bolts in the front, 2 in the back. The back ones are exposed. For this one, guys, what we're gonna be doing here, you're gonna see I'm gonna be prying this plastic in this area over here, so we can remove this one. So it only has this tab over here and another one too over here. So this is the ideal side to remove it. Don't do it in this one that has the groove, meaning we want to do it through this side, because it's only one tab. It's easy. If we do it on the other part, which by the way is uncomfortable, you might risk to break something. So this is the other side, and as you see, it's only took a pop, and then we get to the bolts. You don't need this swivelable tool, guys, but it helps. It helps a lot. Now, the next thing to do, guys, is gonna be to lean the seat so we can get the headrest off. Let me position this more or less in a way that it makes sense. And we're gonna get the headrest off. Just like that, guys. Now we proceed, the lever is down here, to move it forward so we can expose the rear bolts. And these are here, really easy access for those bolts. And we just get them out. And those are 13s, guys. Now the next step is to lean the seat in a way that we can access the plug underneath. We want to put the track back in place, just like this. And you're gonna center it, guys. You don't want the frame to stick out too much in the back or in the front. And we're gonna lean it like this. And right here, guys, this is our plug for the electronics, this one right here. So we're gonna remove this rep tab, which is the lock for the clip, and then we are gonna squish it. It doesn't allow me, so let me be sure that I'm in the right position, and that's it. So basically, guys, we need to push this section right here so we can release the clip. It's right there, and this is the lock. It doesn't go in unless you put it back in there. So this is our plug, guys, and that's the removal. The next thing is just to get it off the car. I'm gonna put my camera so you can see how I do it. This is very simple. That's the way I do it, just so you don't scratch anything. That's the safe way. There is many other ways, and that's my way. And that was, guys, the removal of the seats. It's only the two front because we are doing the heaters. We're gonna be running our cables parallel to the factory, and it's gonna be hardwired into the Bronco, so it works basically like factory. Okay guys, I'll continue in the next chapter. Thank you. If you have questions, please put it in the comments.